Okay, so it is snowing, and it's like a lot of snow. And look, it's like, I'll show you, it's like hugely deep. So we have a picnic table, and it is covering a ton of the picnic table. And guys, you guys can sink into stuff. Like,
bring my gloves.
I just sunk right into it. Like, this is my leg, and I'm.
No, Tommy, my gloves are on the table.
And I had to wear my mom's snow pants, so. Oh gee. And like, look, it's like currently like hugely snow. Like, there's like a ton of it. Guys, I'll go down a quick journey. Here, Sophie. I'm sorry. Are you surviving? Yeah, guys. So look, like, it is a huge thing. It is hugely snow. Oh, this kind of looks like a snowman. Maybe if we just like. Whoa, guys! I just slipped.
Yeah, I just slipped.
Okay, and so that might have to be it for today's video. Sorry for this. It's snow. I'll do more updates about snow. And but thank you so much for all those views on my last snow video. I feel like this one is gonna get more because like look at all of the snow. It's a lot of snow. So catch you guys later.